Good morning, students. For today, we want to focus on completing the square using the formula method. So by the end of watching this presentation or this video, you should be able to write a quadratic function in this form. F is such that x is equal to a open bracket x plus h close bracket squared plus k. Now you notice that this form has a perfect square in it, so that is what we're going to write a function. How we're going to write the function, we want it with a perfect square in it. So the general form that we know a quadratic function has is ax squared plus bx plus c, where a, b, and c are integers. So all that we're doing is to write the function from that form, or convert it from that form to this form with a perfect square in it. So we have the function. We always identify our a, or b, and or c, and we convert it to this form. So comparing both, we have a, b, and c in the first, and in the second we have a, h, and k. So these are the formulas that you need to know. How do we find h? H is simply taking the a and the b and substituting it in this formula. How do we find k? Simply take the a, b, and c from the first form, substitute it in this formula to find k. So example 1, you need to write this function 2x squared plus 5x plus 4 in that form with the perfect square in it. So first identify your a, your b, and your c. So a is 2, b is positive 5, and c is 4. All of these are positives. So you have identified your a, b, and your c. Substituting that formula for h, and h will be equal to 5 out of 4. Substitute it in that formula for k. Yes, simplify, and k is equal to 7 out of 8. So we have found the value for a, for h, and for k. So just substitute it in the formula, and that's it. That's the final answer. So example 2, again, identify your a, your b, and your c. Find h, find k, and just substitute in the formula. Example 3, a, b, c. Find your h using the formula, find your k using the formula, then substitute for a, h, and k. So all that you're doing, you're identifying what is a, what is b, what is c, substitute it in the formula to find h, substitute it in the formula to find k, and then rewrite the function in the form ax plus h squared plus k. Just replace the a, the h, and the k. Now these are yours to complete. So convert all of these functions in the form a open bracket x plus h close bracket squared plus k.